Today, we are going to discuss the HDFC Bank Business Banking Loan Against Property, offering loan amounts of up to 200 crore rupees. Eligibility criteria. This loan is available to both salaried and self-employed individuals aged between 21 and 70 years. Applicants must have a CIBIL score of at least 650 to qualify. Loan criteria. Eligible applicants can access loan amounts ranging from 25 crore rupees to 200 crore rupees with a tenure of up to 15 years. The interest rate ranges from 9% to 10.50% on a reducing basis. There are no login fees, and the turnaround time for processing is between 30 and 45 days. Insurance charges are applicable for property insurance. Foreclosure charges range from 0% to 2%, and processing fees are between 0.20% and 0.50%. Part payments are allowed under this loan program. Available products include Fresh LAP, BT Plus top-up, lease rental discounting, and project-based funding. The lock-in period is 12 months, and a business vintage of at least 3 years is required. The unique selling point of this loan is its high-ticket loan offering, with availability across Pan-India. Negative profiles and properties. Applicants whose turnover is less than 50 crore rupees or more than 500 crore rupees are ineligible. Additionally, unapproved properties are not considered. This product does not cater specifically to professionals. Required documents for salaried individuals. Applicants must submit KYC documents for both themselves and co-applicants. The last 3 months' salary slips, along with the last 12 months' bank statements of the applicant and co-applicant, are required. Additional documents include Form 16 for the past 2 years, income tax returns with income computation for the last 3 years, and 26 as forms for the last 2 years. If available, the applicant's appointment letter should be provided. Property-related documents such as the agreement to sale, in purchase cases, and property papers with a complete chain of ownership for the last 13 years must also be submitted. Other required documents include the LOD, foreclosure statement, and SOI for BT cases, sanction letters for all ongoing loans, and the latest utility bill for owned or rented residences. Additionally, contact details of 2 references are required. Required documents for self-employed individuals. Self-employed applicants must provide KYC documents for themselves and co-applicants. The last 3 years' income tax returns with income computation, along with tax-audited balance sheets, are mandatory. Bank statements for the last 12 months for both the applicant and co-applicant, as well as 26 as forms for the past 2 years, are also required. Business-related documents such as GST registration, MSME registration, and GST returns for the last 12 months must be submitted. Property-related documents, including the agreement to sale, in new purchase cases, and property papers with a complete ownership chain of the last 13 years, must be provided. Additional documents include approved property maps, if available, the LOD, foreclosure statement, and SOI for BT cases, sanction letters for all ongoing loans, and a debt sheet. Proof of residence and office, such as the latest utility bills or rent agreements, must also be submitted. Applicants must provide the last 3 years' debtors and creditors lists on letterhead, along with contact details of 2 references. For companies, a list of directors and shareholders is required, and for partnerships or LLPs, a list of partners must be provided.